to show you, and more specifically show you and tell you in a simplistic instructional video how to manual on a skateboard. This will be an easy tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, the topic of this video is how to manual on a skateboard, and this will be an easy tutorial for absolute beginners on skateboarding. So let's get right into this video tutorial. If you are a beginner on skateboarding, or I should say a beginner with skateboarding, this is the video for you. I'm going to flip the camera screen out. I used to be really good at skateboarding, then I stopped skateboarding for 20 years. I recently got this board and I'm pretty decent, you know. That was horrible. Horrible for an intro. Once again, I'm afraid I'm going to roll into the wall over here. I'm pretty decent. I'm not great, but I still, you know, I still got it. I still got it, not too shabby, right? So I'm going to show you how to manual, okay? It's actually not that hard to do. Manualing is basically one of the first things that you can learn how to do, along with an ollie. Just like that. That's right, baby. And, you know, you can learn some other tricks. Like you can even learn to shove it. Oh, almost. All right. Anyway, so how to manual. Enough of me showing off my subpar skills, okay? So how to manual. First and foremost, you do want to learn how to do this stationarily. That means you're going to want to try and do your manual while you're still. And then you can learn how to do it when you're moving. So practice still at first, okay? Now your foot placement. When you're riding or when you're ready to do an ollie, you know, your foot comes back quite a bit, right? You know, you're doing a kick flip like this, heel flip like this. Kind of depends, like you move your foot in different positions for different moves. For a manual though, a lot of people like to keep their feet in the middle of the board, and that's okay when you are already really, really good. But when you're learning to manual, get that foot up front. I'll tell you why. There's way less of a chance that you can, first of all, you have more leverage. It's like a bigger teeter-totter. There's more control, right? It's like a longer torque bar. There's more control. Right here, you have a very short amount of control, right? Look at that. It goes up and down quickly. But when I spread my foot out over here, look, more control, right? A lot more control. So spread your feet out. Get your front foot basically on the screws on top of the front truck, and then your back foot basically around the center of the tail. Now, when you're regularly riding, you're going to keep your back foot around the center of the tail. I should rephrase that. So when you're regularly riding, your rear foot's going to go around the center of the tail. When you're about to manual, you want to move it back just a touch. It gives you, once again, a longer base. It gives you more leverage. Now, basically what you want to do is you want to use your feet to control the manual, not your body, okay? A lot of people, when they're learning to manual, they'll lean back. So they go like this and whoop, they lean back and they're already on the ground. Very simple. That is incorrect, because that's basically a guaranteed way to probably fall and not control your movement. So what you want to do is use your feet to control your movement. Keep your body centered. Your body is centered. Your body is not leaning forward or back, but your feet are controlling the manual. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm using my rear foot, putting a little bit of pressure, and I'm just lifting my front foot up a little bit. And the goal here is to just lift it up a little bit and put it down. So you're going to start by just doing this. Very simple. Lift it up and down, just like that, right? And don't fall off the board. Once again, up, down. Then you're going to practice doing it a little bit longer. So you want to go a little bit slower now, right? Up, down. Hey, I still got it, not too bad. Okay? Once again, you want to go up, down, just like that. Now, I'm using my feet to control the manual. My body is controlling my balance. So you want to keep doing that over and over again, and eventually you're going to get better and better at going longer. Okay, now obviously, like I said, I haven't skateboarded in 20 years. I just got this board recently. I'm going to try and get back into it a little bit, and obviously do a lot of tutorials on the subject. But you know, you want to continue going. Try for 1 second, try for 2 seconds, try for 3 seconds. I think at my peak I was manualing for about 8 or 9 seconds while moving, right? So once you practice stationary and you're able to hold it stationary for, you know, whatever, let's say 5 or 6 seconds, or even 4 seconds, then you can start practicing while you're moving. So then, I'll just do this very briefly. I'm not really going to go anywhere here, but then as you're moving, you can get your manual going and practice that way. And essentially that's it. You want to use your feet to control the manual by their placement and pushing down with your rear foot and lifting up your front foot like that, right? And then your body is controlling the balance of making sure you don't fall. That's essentially it. That is how to manual on a skateboard, an easy tutorial for beginners. If you like this video tutorial and see me, you know, pop up a couple tricks, let's do a couple more. Let's do another ollie. Ba 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 boom! Woo! Okay. All right. little bit more practice. Okay, that was a little bit too thick. I have 4 young kids. I can't fall and break a shoulder or something. You know, that's going to be problematic because, you know, I'm a father first, I'm a skateboarder next. So always remember that. But anyways, I'm going to practice a bit more. Can't even speak. I just scared the living daylights out of myself. Practice falling. That's a good tip. Seriously, because honestly, like, I'm really good at not falling on my body. I'm really good at catching myself with my feet. That's a key factor. Anyways, if you like this video tutorial and, you know, maybe you found it entertaining and educational, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know, if you liked it in any way, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Smash that like button. Drop a comment down below to let me know what you think. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notification of all my videos. I post a ton and you should watch them all. Anyways, that's basically it. Yeah, so once again, I roll that outro again. I veered away from my typical outro. I'll do it one more time. If you like the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.